Meet Surtsey, the forbidden island that literally appeared overnight. Scientists call it the world's most perfect natural laboratory, and what they've discovered will change how you see life itself. Chapter 1. The Island That Shouldn't Exist. On November 14, 1963, Icelandic fishermen saw smoke on the horizon. Within days, a brand new island rose from the Atlantic. But here's the crazy part: scientists predicted it would vanish within years. Mind-blowing facts. Volcanic surprise: Surtsey was born from a 15,000 degrees Fahrenheit undersea eruption. Size matters: peaked at 1.5 square kilometers, now erosion has halved it. Icelandic naming, after Surtur, the Norse fire giant. Chapter 2. The world's strictest nature reserve. In 1965, Surtsey became the only place on Earth where nature gets to run the show. Just 12 scientists have ever set foot here, and they follow insane rules. Insane protection measures. All equipment sterilized with UV light. No soil or seeds allowed, pockets are checked. Researchers wear full-body suits to avoid contamination. Chapter 3. Life finds a way against all odds. Life exploded on Surtsey. But the pioneers weren't what scientists expected. Nature's surprises. First colonist, not plants, but mold, arrived via bird feet. Bird Airbnb, 90+ species visit, but only 12 nest. Seal party, a breeding colony appeared in 1983. Surtsey isn't just teaching us about Earth, it's helping NASA plan for Mars. Here's why. Space-age discoveries. How bacteria survive in fresh lava. Why birds are better than wind at spreading life. What really happens when land first emerges. For 60 years, Surtsey has been Earth's greatest science experiment, proving that life is unstoppable. So next time you see a volcano, remember, it might just be nature's next masterpiece in the making.